Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to earn coins in Wattpad. All right. So first up, just go ahead and open up the Wattpad app. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right, and here we have this gift icon. All right. Besides your profile, just go ahead and tap on it. Now make sure that you are under the coins section. Okay. And also, instead of buy, just select the earn section. Okay. Now, if you want to buy it, go ahead and do so. We have the prices right here. Okay. Going back to earn, and as you can see here, just simply finish task to earn bonus coins. Right here, earn 1,000 plus coins. Just tap on it and hit on start right here if you want to follow their instructions right here. And then hit on play now. Okay. Now, for example, this one right here, complete 10 groups of questions to earn your reward. Just tap on this one or spin the lucky wheel. Tap on this one right here. Earn. Wait for it. It's just like Quest, all right? Just go ahead and tap on Start Spin, play without lifelines, and basically follow whatever it needs here, all right? Going back, as you can see here, we have a ton of options, all right? Now, I'm going to tap on X right here, and it says your coin balance will be updated if you have earned new coins. Please check back in the next 24 hours. You said, oh, okay. Another one here is by watching ads to earn bonus coins. Just tap on it. And here we have an ad. All right, I'm just going to play through the ads right here. Once that's done, as you can see here, the bar is now green. I'm just going to tap on next, close it, wait for another 5 seconds, tap on X. And it says here, great job, you've earned +1 coin. Just hit on OK, wait for it to load, and here we have the coin. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.